parking.
All right, boys, day 2 of the Peterbilt AirRide kit here at Dirty Diesels. If you guys have not seen the latest video, go back and watch part 1. That will kind of give you the general glimpse of what we're doing, where we're at in the process here. But we're on day 2, part 2 of airbag in the front of the Peterbilt here. We're gonna go over some quick things here that I forgot to mention in the last video and then jump right into the work. We are back to putting the truck back together. But we've got some parts here. One of the things I didn't mention in the last video real quick is we're not really installing anyone else's kit. We got my man CJ here and we're making the kit. It is Dirty Diesel CJ kit built in-house here again. So we've got some parts, we got some pieces. There is no real kit yet to really show yet. We gotta make the kit with these hands, these beautiful, well, CJ's hands, you know what I mean, and my hands helping, you know. But anyway, we've got a bag. Obviously, to airbag anything, we need a bag. So we've got some bags, we've got some plates, right?
That's about where we're gonna start.
And the one thing I didn't mention in the last video, when we took my truck apart, along with all of the parts being completely trashed, the hubs, ding dong, somebody's here, bing bong.
Literally.
My hubs, the hubs itself weren't really bad, but the oil cap cover here, I don't know the exact terminology, but the oil seal cap here, all of those bolts were completely crapped up. Looks like somebody had been in there before and did a number on the jobs. And so we just went and got new hubs instead of trying to spend a whole day or so trying to get these bolts broke off and whatever. So we've got new hubs. So we've already put new brakes on the truck. We've already got new hubs, or well, now we have new hubs. We're gonna get some new covers and stuff like that. But really where we're starting is starting to build the kit, correct?
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
So,
I mean, the only thing that is really constant with my kits is where I start with slotted holes, because your offsets are always gonna be the same from truck to truck. So this gives me a ballpark idea where I can slide the plate. Now, from there, every truck's different, so that's where we're gonna start.
So it's not like each 379 or 389 that comes through. Every truck is kind of like configured a little bit differently there's a bunch of variations that you could get, and I can get an idea on paper. I have my offsets written down, but I never go right off the offset. So it could work, but it also couldn't.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I like to tailor it to the truck.
Gotcha. So that's where we're at. We're gonna start tightening up. We can tighten up all that stuff that we did last night. So we can tighten up things that we did in the previous video, and CJ's gonna start working on getting, raw steel cutouts welded up, and we'll catch back up with you guys when we get some stuff done. go.
Ladies, I'm taking. It's like how can you do that? Oh, I'm a magician.
Well, the one that's 24/7 is, I think it's closer to
He's pulling the sock back and looking at it.
That time I did, because I didn't feel confident. Don't
Wow.
eat.
I give it a 3.5.
Yeah, yeah, out of 5.
out of 3.5.
Oh, cool. That's what she said.
You'll have that.
Oh, aggressive.
That's pretty low, bud. How many guys that figure out an airline there?
All of them.
2.5
George?
as soon as you get in here.
Woo! You
What?
coming in or what?
You want me to get in the back?
Yeah.
I'll get in the back.
Memory foam,
What,
baby.
hey, can Dawson get in the back too? I mean, I know it's a small bunk, but we can all get in there. Did you guys find an air leak?
4 dudes.
Yeah,
in a
we did
Unibelt.
find a nice air leak back here for your air window and
Found an air leak.
rear dump supply.
You should get your doorbell to say bing bong.
Bing bong. We'll fix her up.
All right, what day is it? Are we on Wednesday?
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
It is
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
day 3?
dudes.
Day 3. All right,
Day-
guys, starting
day
off day 3.
Wait, where?
All right, day 3. Oh, easy there. We're kind of low right now.
Yeah,
We're sitting
Easy,
pretty
buddy.
low.
Don't scrape her.
All right, you're going to have to help me remember everything that we did yesterday because there's a lot of things happening in a very short amount of time, and I'm actually having a hard time. That's perfect. Hey, we don't want to talk to you, guy. Buddy. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Josh wants to be a part. Josh is feeling left out. All right.
Cut right out of here.
That's my
All right, so we're on day 3. There wasn't a whole lot of talking yesterday. Daytona almost just got him. Daytona almost just got him. So day 3, as you can see, we're on the ground. Something to note here, I almost just got messed up by this jack right here. We're gonna have to tweak the bumper a little bit. Obviously, the bumper has been hit. The bumper is not sitting completely level, so we know that the shop floor here is perfectly level. You can see a little bit of difference in my bumper. We're gonna fix that, don't worry, right, CJ? CJ, there's no way CJ won't be able to sleep at night if we don't fix my bumper.
They don't
so,
lean in here, my
That
guy.
bubble, that bubble is going to be right in the middle.
What's that?
That bubble is going to be right in
If
the
we
middle.
want to check the floor for the camera, they're gonna believe me. But anyway, guys, let's recap what we've done here yesterday. So bag plate kit, or the fab part of the kit is pretty much almost done,
Yeah.
or is done.
Yeah, Greg actually welded this kit together.
I definitely did not. I will not take credit for
this
that.
is bag kit I built for 379. Bag plates are all bolted up. We had air to it last night. Got off the stands. Went through and tightened up everything that needed to be tightened up. New hubs, brakes, everything's going back together.
yeah,
We
I
got wheels
forgot
back
about
on it.
So all of this stuff was just bare pieces.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
the whole entire there's a lower part to the bag kit and an upper part to the bag kit.
Yes.
Which obviously you can see it's pretty self-explanatory at this point.
Yeah.
But drilled the holes in the frame for the upper part of that kit and got the new U-bolts in. As you can see, we use a shim plate like we were using before. New hubs are on, new bearings, all of that stuff. We went ahead and cleaned everything up. We are going to put new chambers, new pods on the front while we're here. Steering's back together, so truck is just basically going back together. In day 3 we're going to be doing a lot of plumbing, miscellaneous kind of stuff. We'll take you through the day. So, but that's kind of where we're at. Just wanted to catch up with you guys because things are just happening very fast here. So yeah, see where day 3 takes us. And then, yeah.
But that one time when we had the extra room, it was so, we gotta protect that fresh paint. Featuring CJ Exotic. Yeah, I have one.
You're gonna put your coffee down?
It's not professional.
It's not professional?
Professional?
I would just hold it. You know what I mean? You look good.
What do you think?
That's pretty good. I mean,
Are we doing the day? What's it?
we're recapping what you guys just watched. We're losing track of days here. So much work is getting done that there's just stuff everywhere. So there's a lot of footage, and we don't want to put that footage in with the final finished product. So you guys are still not going to see the final finished product in this video. We're going to save that for our grand finale recap and seeing the truck absolutely 100% done. So we're still in the intermediate stage of getting all of that work done. So that's kind of what we're recapping here a little bit. A little bit of interior work that got done. Obviously some more work out here with the kit. CJ made the kit. We got the bag installed. I spent the majority of yesterday kind of messing around here with these power steering lines that go from the reservoir down to the pump to the steering box. They were kind of right in our way to make this section of the kit really, really nice. So what we actually did is we ran and got some new hoses and we relocated them and wrapped them underneath the frame. Plenty of clearance there, so those should work out good and get them away from the actual kit. So as you can see, we have not done all of the beauty part of the kit with the lines and everything. We'll show you guys that, but we did mount the leveling valves. Majority of the bulk of the kit is done. It's just everything kind of surrounding it. Got our steering shaft still up there. So miscellaneous stuff. We still have our brake chambers to put on. No pods. We don't, no pods here. So we still have that to do. Josh went ahead yesterday and got the interior somewhat done. Again, we're not going to explain everything quite yet, but we did add this nice fancy switch right here, which is going to actually control everything. Right, Josh?
Yes. Yes.
And then what else?
Precise control over the.
Very precise control. You know, nothing, no hodgepodge stuff here. So wheels and tires are back on. We got our new hub oil covers on there. Got our, oh, look at these fancy boys here. No caps covering that. We're gonna leave that open now. Like this look a lot better. It looks really, really nice. So got that all done. Got our spike covers on, obviously, you know, looks over function, of course. So, and again, we're not gonna show you guys exactly how low the truck gets. You're gonna have to come back for the next video, but give you guys a little update, wrap this up. But here's where we're at as of now. Show you guys the other side real quick, but she's coming together. In the next video, we are gonna show you guys the complete finished product, how it works, and also we've got some other cosmetic stuff gonna be happening to the truck to give it like a final kind of finished look. Some stuff that you guys have been bugging me about, not necessarily related to the AirRide kit, but some interior stuff, some exterior stuff. Here's this side. This side, obviously, a little bit less stuff in the way. There's no steering box, anything like that. But yeah, we're just cleaning it up, getting it done, knocking it out. So stay tuned for the next video and we will have this thing done. We'll show you exactly how low it gets, be driving it, and that's it. That's a wrap. So make sure you guys hit the like button. One fumble.
Give it a big thumbs up.
Give her a big thumbs up.
Hit the like button. Subscribe below.
You know, just
drop your
go follow Dirty Diesels on Instagram. If you guys haven't done that, you're just but anyway, boys, that's it. Hit the like button before you.
Don't hit the like button.
Smash the like button. Smash the like button before you leave. Josh's phone's ringing. We'll see you guys in the next video. We'll see you. Bye.
Smash the like button. Subscribe. Drop a comment in the section below.
Yeah, I forgot. Leave a comment.
Yeah, you have to leave a comment.
Leave a comment.
We want to see the comments.
Comments, all of it.
Yeah.
Do it.
Comments, likes, subscriptions.
Honestly, fan mail.
Oh yeah, fan mail.
We don't have a PO box, but we do.
$4.99 a month for the behind the scenes footage. All right. Only paying subscription. All right, that's it. We'll see you guys in the next video.